Today we are going to learn setting font face. Setting font face means nothing. It is font style with the name of the font. Okay, we are using the font name and what is the style of the font. The both also we are using in the program. Okay, that is called as a font face. What is the face of the font? How it is showing to the user. That is defined in that font face settings. Okay, you can set font face using font face attribute. Okay, we are going to use the attribute name is a face. Okay, name of the face, name of the font, we are using of the attribute face attribute. See here, face attribute, font face attribute. Okay, using this we are using the font face information, but be aware that if the user viewing the page doesn't have the font installed, okay, if it is not installed in our system, the particular font meant the font face, it will not show to the user. Okay, that you must be understood this one. Okay, they will not be able to see it. Okay, if you not installed means, okay, you want to know informations, okay, you have to go to start button and the control panel. Okay, you have to search here. Okay, font, you have to type there font. Okay, then give enter. Okay, it will show there. Okay, preview, delete or show the hide fonts, change the font settings, view installed font. Okay, you have to go to installed font. Okay, then it will show the how many font you installed in our computer. Okay, different types of font, different names of the font. Okay, what are the styles available in font in our system, everything is there. See here. Okay, Arial, rounded, empty, bold, Arial and Times New Roman, where it is available in alphabetical order, it is there in Times New Roman. See here, Times New Roman. Okay, Verdana. Okay, the different kinds of the font is available in our system. Okay, if you mention that name of the font mean it will show, otherwise it will not come, it will not show to you. Okay, that you have to aware first. Okay, see here, this is the example program for showing the settings font face. Okay, here document type already we described in previous chapters and all, HTML. Okay, head, then title font face. Okay, we have to use the title font face like that. Okay, it must. Okay, but it will not doing any functions, it will show for the identification purpose only. Okay, it will come in that, what is that, the web page name here. Okay, here it will come the title names. Next, head, inside the head is completed everything. Then now only I am started the body. Okay, body, I declared only 3 or 4 names of the fonts. Okay, see here, I typed some information. See here, typed document HTML information, head, title and head I closed. Now only here I am started the body loops. Okay, here I am mentioned Times New Roman font, Verdana font, Comic Sans MS font, then Wild West. I typed here the 4 types of the different size of the font. Okay, here I mentioned. So after that I complete the typing, I have to go for the saving place. Okay, I already saved in the name of the font face like that. Okay, so you have to save during saving time. Okay, during saving time you must be choose the path where I want to save our particular file. Okay, you have to choose the path. Okay, which place I'm going to save the file, that and all. Okay, after that type information you have to must type HTML like that. Then only the notepad information is converted to the web browser like that. Okay, it will come. Okay, so where I am saved here means my computer in D:2020 Kongu School 8th standard CS book and 2nd chapter. Here I am saved. Okay, font face like that. You must be open, not double click. Okay, if you open double click mean it will open in notepad only, not in the web browser. Okay, you have to click and right click, open with, then click the Firefox. Okay, then if you are clicking the Firefox mean using that it will come like this. Okay, the Times New Roman name with the same face. Okay, with the same style it will open. Verdana name and this is the style. Comic is the name and style, that only. Wild West also the same style only. Okay, everything it is opening like that, the own style. Okay, did you understand? Next we are going to see setting font color. Okay, setting the font color. Everything it is available in HTML. Okay, settings font size, setting font style, and setting font color. Everything is there. Okay, the same coding. Inside the same coding, I am going to mention the name of the font color. Okay, name of the color. Otherwise, using the text coding. Okay, HTML hexadecimal coding I mentioned in, then automatically it will convert to the color. Okay, the same coding I am taken. Okay, after that, okay, inside see here font face equal to Times New Roman, then size declared, then give a space. Okay, give the space, otherwise no need to give the space. Here COLOR, color equal to, in double quotation, hash symbol, double F, double zero, okay, then double F, then close double quotation. Okay, and save it. Okay, again you go to the browser, give the refresh. See here it's changed to light pink. Okay, light pink. Like that same we have to type the every font inside that every font. Okay, it will come the different color. You have to mention the different color, then only it will come. If you are giving the same numbers or same information, means it will come the same color only. Okay, here I am giving red. Okay, I save now, and here after that here I given, and here I given hot pink. Okay, here I given blue. Okay, everything is successfully saved now, and I have to go to the browser and give refresh. See here red, then comic is a different hot pink, and wild west is the blue color. So different font colors coming. Okay, using of the color font. Okay, using of the color tag. Okay, using of the color tag. See here it's mentioned here only font color equal to, that has hexadecimal coding, and they are typed some information. This information is only coming in that pink color. Okay, instead of this one I typed the informations already what I am mentioned there. No, itself I entered the color also. Okay, did you understand, ma? Up to this the second chapter is over. Okay, next we are going to see third chapter, third unit, HTML images and backgrounds and marquees. Okay, so we are going to see the three information in the third chapter. The first one, HTML images, how to insert the images in HTML. Second one, how to change the background colors. Maybe the background is a color, otherwise background is images. Okay, so whatever we need related that we can change the color and background images also. And next, marquees. Okay, marquees means moving the text or moving the images from the right side to left side. Okay, it's animation. Okay, that how we can do, everything is there in that marquee tag. Okay, that we are going to see one by one. The first tag is insert image. How to insert image? You can insert any images in your web page by using img tag. Okay, using of the img tag we can enter the, we can edit, we can insert the images in the HTML tag. Okay, following is the simple syntax to use this tags. Okay, see here this is the syntax. Syntax means it is a rules and regulation. Okay, it is a rules and regulation. Some informations only we can change in, then automatically the images will be inserted inside the HTML documents. Okay, did you understand? Then this is the syntax, less than symbol, then img space src. The src means it is called as a source. Okay, image source. Image source from where? Okay, image URL. What is mean by URL? Universal resource locator. Okay, universal resource locator. It is called as a URL. Okay, where the image URL means where our images will be stored in which place. Okay, that is called as a image URL. Then attributes list. Attribute list means what is that? Simply, okay, the closing the img tag, no, that one, that is called as a attribute list. That we can see one example for how to insert the images inside the, see here I mentioned in the same HTML information. Okay, the same HTML document what I mentioned in the previous chapters. No, in that same I mentioned that how to insert the image, that informations also. Okay, this is the coding for inserting images. Less than symbol, then img src equal to double quotation penguins.jpg. Okay, penguins.jpg. Okay, one condition is there. What conditions means? Okay, we have to understand one thing. My font HTML information, my HTML coding, I am saved in that. Okay, where I am saved here means in that same place. Okay, 2020 folder, Kongu school, then 8th standard, inside the CS book and HTML book unit 2, inside the folder I saved the HTML document, I mean the notepad coding also, and the same images also, it is there available in the same folder. Both also it is the same folder only. Images also it is there in same folder, and coding also it is there in same folder. So only I mentioned here only penguins.jpg. Okay, if it is my penguins images, it is there available in different locations. Okay, if I am saved in that what is there, it is there in other colon, d colon or e colon, means we have to type the full path. Okay, inside the d colon and which folder, and inside the which folder, and where everything we have to copy, and we have to mention the inside the place here. Okay, that is called as a URL. Okay, image URL, that is called as a image URL. That fully we want to type in, then automatically it will come. Okay, so see here, like this page it will come the result. Okay, so I mentioned there. Okay, images. Now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, see here, now I'm going to remove this one. I removed. Okay, and saved. Now again I go to the web browser and give refresh. It is not there, the images is not there. Okay, now I'm going to the notepad. Okay, the notepad text editor place and giving the enter. Okay, giving the informations of the input of the images. Okay, again I'm saved the document, then I'm going to for the browser and giving refresh. See here, then automatically the penguin images came. Okay, like this only we have to, what is that, insert the image. Okay, insert the image. Okay, yeah, this is called as the image URL. Image URL, universal resource locator, that we have to type there. Okay, yeah, like this only we have to insert the image inside the HTML document, that only mentioned here also, bird.jpg. Okay, so see another one informations they are mentioned. ALT, what is mean by ALT? The ALT means it is a alteration. Okay, the descriptions of the image, the bird.jpg is there, no, that is a description, the name of the images. Here ALT equal to text image they are mentioned. Okay, I am going to here enter here space ALT equal to, then double quotation. Okay, penguins, pen GUINS, penguins I mentioned here. Okay, I saved the document, again went for the browser and giving refresh. Okay, where it is available. Okay, if I'm resize the images, mean it will show the name of the penguins, it is inside image. Okay, it is inside. If I alterate the size of the images, reduce the width and height, means then automatically it will show to you. Okay, yeah, it is available, it is there. Okay, it is inside the image. Okay, we have to check there. Okay, that is the meaning of the, what is that, meaning of the images and the alteration options. Okay, and next they are saying about that image is coming in that browser, they are given some related informations. What is that? You can use PNG file, JPEG file or GIF file, GIF file, images file based on your computer comfort, but make sure the specific correct images file name is src attribute. Okay, so whatever it is, your images is what format, it is not a matter. Your images is PNG file or JPEG file or GIF file, it is not a matter, but related of these three, if you are giving the correct informations in that the notepad or in that our, so whatever format, it is not a matter. So what informations you are giving in the text editor or in the notepad means it will come in that browser also. Okay, that is the important information. Okay, next they are saying about that ALT. The ALT attribute is a mandatory attribute which specify an alternate text for an image. Okay, it is a description or the name of the images they are saying. If the images cannot be displayed, okay, if it is the images cannot be displayed mean it will come the name. Okay, the name is there, name is not available means the image will come, the both also will come. Okay, next topic is a set image width and height. Okay, how to set image width and height, that we have to describe. Okay, the first one, you can set image width and height based on your requirement using width and height attribute. Okay, see here in this browser it will show the fully, okay, 3/4 the whole Penguin images only occupy the whole browser. So we have to resize the image within the browser. Okay, for that we have to set the width and height images of the tag means it will specify. Okay, you can specify width and height of the images in terms of either pixel or percentage of its actual sizes. Okay, we have to set the numbers or we have to set the some numerical informations mean then automatically the browser or the text editor is convert to the percentage wise. Okay, then actual the percentage what we mentioned it will come like that in that browser also. Okay, see here that is the coding. Okay, in that coding they are mentioned these are the general informations already we seen in all the codings and all. Okay, title for understanding purpose, that set image width and height information, this font, this informations will come in that place. Okay, that we have come, that we have to see. Next, inside body only the functions will come. Okay, setting image width and height is a paragraph. Okay, image src text.png. Okay, like this already we given in that notepad. Okay, ALT text image width equal to 150, height equal to 100. Okay, the same this and all we entered already. Okay, which we are going to enter only width and height only. Okay, we can do that. See here with width equal to within double quotation 150 close double quotation, then height space double quotation 100 close double quotation. Okay, save the document and again go for the browser and give refresh. See here it's reduced. Okay, it is showing percentage wise. Okay, it's not the sizes. Okay, depending upon the browser percentage it's changed. Okay, it is changed to percentage. If you are changing to another information, another size, okay, both also 150. Okay, both also 150 means see the difference, it's not looking good. Okay, so only they are saying 100. Okay, it's good for seeing. Okay, it's the original sizes only is coming. Okay, so this is the informations for setting the or arranging or rearranging, editing the images using of width and height tag, using of the width and height tag. Did you understand? Okay, if it is the images is not showing means what we mentioned there, test images there, no, that ALT alternate that will come. Okay, yeah, maybe that JPG file or PNG file is not supporting for the browser means alternatively automatically the name will come, text image. Okay, if the images is showing means the images will come. The images is not showing inside the browser mean what name we entered here now, Penguin only we entered now here, ALT, that will come, Penguin letters will come. Okay, yeah, that is the information. Okay, see the next topic, set image border. Set image border, we have to set the size of the border of the image. Okay, size of the border of the image, that is called as a set image border. Okay, how to set the image border? Thickness. Okay, 0 means it is the normal thickness, no border. Okay, if you are increasing the number 1 2 3 like that means then automatically thickness will be increased. Okay, for the setting of the border of the image. Okay, the next is set image alignment. Okay, alignment, we having a 3 types of alignment already we studied. Okay, what are the 3 types of alignment? The left alignment, center alignment and the right alignment. Okay, it is not there what is that justification, it is the text only, left, center and right alignment. That 3 alignment only available in that HTML document. Okay, that we are going to see now. Okay, here see the before changing the border and changing the alignment, we have to see the informations. Okay, in that browser the text already is there and images also is there. Images is aligned in left side and no border. Okay, see and check it. Okay, now I am going to mention the everyone. Okay, here I am typing, after that height, okay, border, okay, equal to double quotation, okay, 3 and close double quotation. Again alignment ALIGN, align equal to within double quotation right and close double quotation, and save the document. Okay, save the document and give refresh. See here automatically that images come to left side to right side. Okay, left side to and right side. Okay, it's came, and border also is mentioned. See here, then border also it's came now. Okay, the images came to right side and the border also come for the using of the thickness 3. Okay, if I'm going to change it to 3 to 5, see here I'm giving refresh, the border thickness is increasing. Okay, if I change it to 5 to 10, see the difference now. Okay, I'm changed it to 20, see the difference. Okay, so this is the thickness, border thickness. Okay, it is mentioned the name of the border and align also the right side. Okay, here only the 3 types of alignments there. One is a left alignment, center alignment, and the third one is a right alignment. The justification, it is not available in that HTML tag. Next topic, HTML backgrounds. Okay, HTML backgrounds. The HTML background means it is nothing, it is changing the background color. We having 2 method is there. Okay, already before I'm started, okay, that is topic I mentioned to you how we can change the background informations. Okay, we having 2 method. One is changing the background colors and changing the background images. Okay, through these 2 we can change the backgrounds. Okay, that we are going to see now one by one. Okay, the first one they are saying BG color. Okay, background color. Okay, the background color using of this syntax, tag name. Okay, BG color, like the tag name BG color equal to color value. Color value means we can type hexadecimal number, otherwise what is that, it is available in the name of the color. Okay, that we mentioned, even it will come. Okay, this color value we can be given the any of the following. See here the given informations. For example, they are given table BG color equal to RGB 0, 0, 120. Okay, so table BG color, only background of the table, not the full background color. Okay, only the background of the table they are mentioned RGB, red, green, blue. So R for the 0, G for the 0, and blue for the 120. It is coming. Then table BG color equal to hash F1 F1 F1. Okay, then table BG color equal to lime. It will come one by one. Okay, it will come one by one. So different colors it will come, it will show the different colors. Okay, did you understand? Okay, see here, next they are saying about, here are the example to set the background of the HTML tag. Okay, they are mentioned here how to change the background colors. Okay, here they are taken table background colors, table BG color equal to yellow. Okay, the table background color is coming yellow, and the table width 100%. Okay, table width 100%, or the background color width is 100%. Okay, here they are mentioned, but I am going to do for the background colors fully of the web browser. Okay, BG color equal to yellow, BG color equal to yellow. Now I am saved this one. Okay, and I'm mentioned here and giving refresh. See here, I'm continuously giving refresh. It's not coming. Why it's not coming? We have to check. Okay, BG color only given. We have to mention the attribute. Okay, what attribute? That BG color yellow is set to for the background or table. Background, no. So we have to mention body. Okay, save the document and go to the browser. Okay, and give refresh. See, now the background color yellow is changed. Okay, again I went for that. Okay, see here the background yellow is changed. I went for the coding. Instead of the yellow, I changed it to hot pink. Okay, I saved the document. Again I went for the browser, giving refresh. See here, the color is changed. Again I went for the text editor. Instead of the hot pink, I mentioned lime. Okay, save the document and I gave refresh. Okay, so if you are giving different colors means, okay, if you are mentioning here different colors in the text means, then it will change the background colors. Okay, so this is the general information for the setting the background images, background colors. So up to this, what we learn now, changing the background colors only we are seeing. Okay, okay, up to this. Still now we didn't see the background image, how to change the background images and all. Okay, now let us see that. Okay, we are going to see that one. We'll produce the background color. See here that particular line is a table, that is yellow, and this is the one line that the system is considered it is a one table, that is a blue, and this is the normal light pink. Okay, it is one is a different color showing. Okay, yeah. Next, HTML background with images. How to set the images? Okay, tag name, body, background equal to image URL. Okay, if you are mentioning the background image URL mean it will show. See here, same thing. Okay, I'm going to delete that. Okay, body, okay, BG color, background, okay, BACKGROUND, background. Okay, background, and instead of this one, what, penguin only we mentioned, no. Okay, where is that? Penguin. Okay, penguin, copied there, and I mentioned here. Okay, and save the document. Okay, yeah, I save the document. Again I come for the browser and giving refresh. See here, that totally the web browser totally the assigned the background image. It is not a color. Okay, I didn't set the color, I removed that color. Instead of the color, I mentioned here the background image. Okay, yeah, so this is the settings of the background image for the browser. Did you understood? Okay, children, did you understood Appa? See here, that only they are mentioning. The most frequently used image formats are JPEG, GIF and PNG file. Okay, but I used here only JPG color, JPG information, JPG images. Okay, joint photographic அப்படிங்கிறது, it is called what? JPG, joint photographics. Okay, a photograph image, that is called JPEG. JPEG means the joint photographic embedded group. JPG means joint photographic group, because joint photographic group is assigned only the limited colors, and JPEG is different, more thousands of colors they are using for the particular one images. Okay, that is the difference between our JPG and JPEG. So we can use .jpg, .png, .gif, .png file, whatever images we have available now, that we can use inside the browser. Did you understand, students? Okay, see here that they are given some information about how to set the background images like that. Okay, it will come one by one. Okay, students, next what we are going to see, patterned and transparent image. Already you know the meaning about patterned, okay, and transparent also. We know the big meaning, we know the full meaning about transparent. It is fully, we can see the background images also. One images is there, and after that inside of the back side of the images, okay, what we entered the type information, that also we can see. That is called as a transparent. Okay, so it is a real-time example. What we are going to see means the plastic carry cover. Okay, we having a one thick carry cover, we having a thick carry cover itself, but we can see the next side also. Okay, through that it is working look like a mirror. Okay, so that is called as a transparent. Like that, okay, inside web page I'm going to see fetch one, I'm going to set the one images. Through the images we can see the back side of the text also. That is called as a transparent. Okay, yeah, see here I'm showing the background image. Okay, background, I took the one photo here. See here, I took one photo. Okay, here the front page, back side also some text is showing to you. See here also one information showing, no, that is called as a transparent. Okay, yeah. And the patterns mean it is a some rectangular or diamond symbol. Okay, some informations or some designs available mean it is called as a patterned. Okay, so this patterned or the transparent images, background images, is used to beautify your background of the browser. Okay, for looking good for the users means this pattern and transparent background is it is useful for you. Okay, yeah. And they are saying the one good information, the smallest dimension possible, even as small as 1 into 1 is a normal size. Okay, 1 into 1, that format we are setting means it is avoiding slow loading. Okay, if you are mentioning the more images, more density means it is it is loading, taking more time for loading. Okay, if you are mentioning 1 into 1 like that means it's avoiding low loading, then automatically it will come is very good easily. And this format is beautify your what is that background images. Okay, that is the very important information. Okay, next HTML marquee options we will see in the next class. Okay.